हेलो ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू एडुअराइज। एडुअराइज एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम अलग अलग और नए नए यूथ से मिल रहे हैं जो कुछ प्रॉमिसिंग कर रहे हैं उनके लाइफ में। आज हमारे साथ ऐसे ही एक यूथ है जिनसे हम बात करने वाले हैं। ही इज सुबोध पाटिल। उन्होंने बहुत ही कम उम्र में पहले जॉब किया और आज खुद का एक छोटा सा स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया। ये स्टार्टअप बताने में खुशी हो रही है कि काफी जल्दी इन्होंने पैन इंडिया अक्रॉस इंडिया में उनकी सर्विस स्प्रेड करना शुरू किया। सो जानते हैं हाउ ही स्टार्टेड हिज एंटायर जर्नी ऑन द ऐप वर्ल्ड। वेलकम सुबोध ऑन एडुअराइज प्लेटफॉर्म।
Thank you so much thank you so much, man, for having me here today. It's a pleasure being here on your show.
ओके, सो हाउ यू स्टार्टेड बेसिकली?
So basically, I moved to Pune when I was in my fourth class. So I basically used to study in a boarding school. So from there, after my 10th, I came out in Pune. I used to stay in Kothur. While doing my 11th and 12th, I landed my first job at a logistics firm as a basic sales person. So I used to attend calls and like coordinate with clients and the vendors. That's what my job was. So that job like paid me around 15,000 a month. So I would manage my rent and my food in that. So after my 10th class, I stopped taking money from my parents and I left my home. I came out here to stay in Pune. So since then, after that, I took admission in MIT WPU Pune. In my first year, we used to have stalls kind of a thing at our college. So we used to sell plants and beautiful handmade pots. So just a bunch of friends, we were in class. So we decided we're just selling it here. So why don't we open an e-commerce website as everyone is doing nowadays? So we started out with that. So firstly, we just used to sell pots online, just small pots for plants. We used to pot them and then give it to the customer. And after that, we started to work on it and we decided, which is golush.com. You can check it out. And please put the link. बाद हमने कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स सब मिलके हमने धीरे धीरे ई कॉमर्स बिल्ड करना चालू किया. कोई डिज़ाइनर, कोई कंटेंट राइटर, अलग अलग लोग जो हम क्लास में थे, हमने एक मिनिमल रिसोर्स के अंदर हमारा वेबसाइट बनाया. उसके बाद वी गॉट अ प्रीटी गुड रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम इट. सो आफ्टर आवर फर्स्ट क्वार्टर we had almost 2 to 3 lakh rupees in sale just by selling pots, just by selling pots. So that was really surprising for us too. So after that, we decided we need to take this further. So we pulled out investment.
अमेजिंग। एंड विदाउट क्वालिफिकेशन एट 11th स्टैंडर्ड यू हैव गॉट द जॉब। उसके बारे में कुछ बताओ।
Yes.
और इतने जल्दी कैसे क्या शुरू
It's a
किया?
funny story. First, so since my school time, I used to hang out with the seniors. Like mostly my friend circle, even now my friend circle is elder to me. So that's how I started to learn and I started to observe them, like how they are dealing with their problems at that age. And I'm way younger to them. And so I thought I don't want to go through the same problems they are. Monetarily, I wanted to be free. And I didn't aspire to do a 9 to 5 job ever in my life. Hello?
ग्रेट। जो भी
Yes.
यूथ कुछ बनना चाहते हैं लाइफ में, आप उनके लिए क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे वाया दिस प्लेटफॉर्म?
Uh, I wouldn't suggest a lot, but I would just say that whatever you are doing and whatever resources or whatever things you have in life, be grateful for it for that time, that point of time, and make full use of it. Like, don't waste your time. Like, there are 24 hours, and even in my early stages, I used to procrastinate a lot. I used to not do things, I used to sleep for days, and I used to just waste a lot of time, which could be used, to do something better, to do something productive. So, and it all together, when you have discipline, it makes you a better person. It that light comes inside you that you feel confident enough about yourself whenever you do things. And just maybe listen to what your inner instincts tell you. Yeah, that's all.
Amazing.
Hello.
Startup, growing a
Yes.
website, growing e-commerce. How is it all? Do you really need to do any certifications, any
The
classes, or what you want to do?
so basically everything I learned about designing, about content, about digital marketing and everything I learned it from the internet. Like they're basically free courses that are available. So you can use those courses and learn stuff. It's not that you need to know everything, but at least you should know enough to run a startup or to do a business. Like a business person doesn't only need to know one thing. He needs to know everything about the business, every aspect of the business. So through logistics to content to digital marketing to the account thing to the legalities, everything you have to go through, right? So you shouldn't, everywhere you go, try to learn something. Like everything you do, even if you woke up today 5 a.m. in the morning, you went and worked out, you saw some inspiring people around you, or you went and met new people. So you should always take the positives from them, other than just saying that my life is miserable and I'm just not getting it right. You should just be calm and see what you're doing wrong and what you're doing right in life. So without work, without putting in hours there, without sitting, if you don't sit and work for plenty of hours, maybe it's not enough. Like I right now my sleep schedule is very weird. Like I don't sleep. I sleep at 3 4 in the morning, 6 in the morning. Sometimes I don't sleep. So it's not just for saying I'm saying it, but we really do it. And there are a bunch of my colleagues, we sit together till like 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning and we work on our project. And about this startup Golash, this is the first startup that I have done individually with my friends. Like I've got them together and we have started this. So I don't think this is going to be the last thing I'll do. I will finish my further studies and go on to bigger things in life. Yeah, that's what.
Wow. And what is the secret? Like you have come so far, whatever you have gone through, your initial phase, your learnings, your studies, what might be the secret which kept you going?
I need food on my plate, right? So that's what made me work. Like if I wouldn't work, I wouldn't eat at night. I would not afford my house. I wouldn't be able to pay the rent. So when all the privileges were taken away, so when I got out of my comfort zone, basically, well, like cliche line, but everybody says that you have to get out of your comfort zone to be better in life. So being average is something everybody does. Everybody, you don't want to be same as everybody else. That's what I meant to say, right? You
Wow.
need to be better. You need to be better at everything you do in life. So this is what I've realized this lockdown, when this lockdown started. So our sales stop, only online sales were also stopped. Our sites which were going on, landscaping sites, were off. So we were in a bit of trouble. We lost a few colleagues. We couldn't pay their salaries on time. We couldn't pay rent. So it all went collapsing. So in the lockdown I realized that you have the power to create. Humans have basically the power and the brains to create stuff. So why not make full use of it, right? So after the lockdown we came back. We had a comeback. So we started our projects, we started our online sales, and we're doing pretty well now. It's been 3 months that we resumed. Yeah, and altogether, don't lose hope. It's like everything turns out like it's destiny. It's it is in your life. If it's there, it will happen. God will, the universe will put in the work to give you what you want, what you manifest, basically. Yes.
A takeaway from your entire discussion is something that you started early. And I request every
Yes.
youth out there that please do start something very early. That might be one of the key, because पहले जब
Yes.
शुरू करते हैं 17 18, that energy is something else. So what you say, I think so that
Yes.
might be the secret of your clarity in thoughts and the journey so far.
Not only starting early, like everybody has their time, everybody has their own time when they get into what they want to. But it's just, even when I started early, when I started my sales job, my colleagues who were there with me, they were way elder than me, and they were doing the same job I was. right? So I was like 10 to 15 years earlier than them at that job, and they were not really happy about it. They used to discourage me. They used to say, just quit the job, go do your studies, काम कर अपना, and just don't get into these things. So from that, like, I don't think age really matters if you know what you are doing, if you know what you're good at. Hello.
Wow.
If you know what you're good at, and if you know your stuff, then no one can stop you, not even your age or nobody in this world. That's what.
And what was
Age
family's
is
thing? Like,
just a number, maybe.
yeah. And what all about
Uh,
your family?
Initially, my family was not. Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm coming to that. Initially, my family was not really supportive about this. Like, it's not that we have a really unstable situation financially at my place. Like, by the God's grace, we are wealthy enough to afford things. But I thought, if I don't get out of the comfort zone now, if I just stay here and be relied on them for this point of time in my life, which is college, which is very crucial, which is where I need to learn a lot of things on my own, right? So if I don't leave the comfort zone right now, then I'll never be able to get through that. I'll always will be relying on them, right? So any problem I'll have, I'll go to them. So that's what made me leave the house, and my parents initially didn't appreciate it, but once we started growing and once we started showing results, they came along. They were very happy about it. Parents are always with you, they're just scared for you. That's what I feel.
Yeah, totally right. So, Subodh, it was amazing talking with you. The best thing which I learned was to start early,
Thank
to be
you.
focused, and leave your comfort zone. That is the takeaway of today's entire our discussion. You want to share anything else?
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, I would like to say that in this world, in India, basically, so I watch a lot of documentaries. I like to watch a lot of documentaries. So basically, Indian politics is some of my interest. I have a little bit of interest in that. So today I was watching a documentary about how Sonia Gandhi came to India. She married Rajiv Gandhi and she came to India. And after that, how she broke into politics, even when she was not really for it. Like, she was not really happy about the decision. So as her husband got assassinated, she didn't really want to indulge in politics, but she did. A lady who came from Italy here, and she became holding such a strong position in this political scenario right now in India. That's very remarkable, and that's what makes me feel that anything is possible if you're willing to do it. If you have that inner feeling, that gut, that the strength, I must say, you can do it. So many people would like laugh at you when you say that I'll do this, I'll do that. From their perspective, from their reality, basically, that they feel we can't achieve it. So if you don't work for it, you won't achieve it. Just by saying it, it doesn't mean that you have achieved it. If you say stuff, you need to be on your word. You have to do it. Like, if I say I have a meeting tomorrow at 5, I will attend that meeting tomorrow at 5. If I have a meeting tomorrow at 6 in the night, 3 in the night, I'll go out anytime the duty calls, right? So it's just that, don't listen to people. Just go with your gut feeling. Just do what feels right for you. So many a times what happens is, you listen to your parents, you listen to your mom, you listen to your dad, you listen to your brother, you listen to the friends around you, what they are doing in life. So basically India mein, it's like, आफ्टर 10th अगर मेरा दोस्त साइंस ले रहा है तो मैं भी साइंस लूंगा, या मेरे मॉम ने मुझे साइंस लेने बोला है तो मैं साइंस लूंगा. सो चिल्ड्रन डोंट रियली हैव देयर थॉट प्रोसेस इन प्लेस कि उनको करना क्या है. So that freedom, I think, first you have to give yourself that. First you need to understand what you have to do, and do what you want. Like, if you want to take arts, go take arts. Arts is not a very bad stream. It's a very nice stream, I must say. Or any stream for that matter. If you want to be an engineer, doctor, or anything, you just go for it. Don't listen to people. Don't just get discouraged by a few words that people say to you or a few actions they do to you. Just hope good for them and hope good for yourself and keep moving forward. That's what I would say. So I would conclude with that. Thank you.
Yeah. So all the viewers, I hope you all have got lot many insights today. Thank you, Subodh, for coming on this platform. All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. It was pleasure being here today.
And
Thank you so
yes,
much.
this is a start, as you said. So we are looking ahead that you are launching many, many, many firms and startups soon. We are waiting
Yes,
for that.
definitely,
All the best for it.
definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you all for viewing this wonderful conversation. Stay tuned to EduArise. Thank you.